McKinney, I worked closely with a school called South Ward. I loved it so much that I unofficially adopted it as my own. I supported the students and teachers in any way I could because I believed in them.
It's truly an honor to be here today as we celebrate this milestone that isn't just a number, but it's truly a testament to the strength and dedication of this amazing campus. 100 years of excellence, how fantastic can that be?
A 100 years of generations before us wholly committed to public education and making sure that the citizens of McKinney are raised in a place that they can feel confident, comfortable, and know that they're preparing them for a successful life.
So we have some special guests here today.
Hi, my name is City, but you can call me CT. I worked at Finch for 48 years and I never missed a day. I lost my finger in a tornado. I hope you have a Finch Falcon Day.
Did you know our school used to be called the Finch Kids?
Yeah, I heard about that. But wait, kids? Like baby goats?
Yup, can you imagine? We were the goats.
I bet the basketball team had some bad uniforms back then.
If I may ask, if you were a former principal here, please stand up. If you were a former teacher here, please stand up. And if you were a former student of Finch Elementary, please stand up.
Futures have been shaped, and it's not just about the lessons that we're teaching in the classrooms, but it's also about the belief that every child in this school has the potential to succeed.
I was a teacher, and I believe that every child deserves a chance to learn and grow. Education has the power to change lives, and I wanted to do everything I could to make a difference.